Today I'm getting to share 5 beauty tips using honey, and honey can work wonders when it involves beauty. It's antibacterial and antiseptic, its lightening properties, and it hydrates. Honey has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties which will help fight acne and also reduce the redness. For an easy acne remedy, we'll need 1 teaspoon of honey and half a teaspoon of cinnamon, which also contains antibacterial properties. Apply this anywhere you've got acne and wash it off after 10 minutes. The moisturizing properties of honey make it ideal for restoring dry, damaged hair. To form a repairing hair mask, mix 2 parts honey to at least 1 part vegetable oil, which also helps to smooth and condition the hair. This mask won't only leave your hair soft, but it also adds a gorgeous shine. Just apply this to damp hair, wrap it into a bun, then shampoo after half hour. Because honey may be a natural humectant, it's the facility to moisturize and heal dry, chapped lips. Simply dab some honey right onto the lips to hydrate and restore lost moisture. The enzymes in honey also can help to cleanse and rejuvenate the skin. To form an all-natural facial cleanser, mix 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of ground oatmeal. Oatmeal is one among the simplest natural cleansers, and it does an excellent job of exfoliating the skin. Massage is for a couple of minutes and you will be